In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the unable to create account issue in ElevenLabs. If you're someone who frequently uses ElevenLabs to generate audio, you might have encountered the frustrating unusual activity error. This error prevents you from proceeding with your task, which can be a real stumbling block. Fortunately, I'm here to guide you through the steps to resolve this issue efficiently. The first step you should consider is clearing your browser cookies. Sometimes leftover cookies might be causing this disruption. To clear your cookies, you'll want to start by heading over to your browser settings. Depending on your browser, this process might vary slightly, but generally, you'll find an option labeled Privacy and Security, or something similar. Under this section, locate Cookies and Site Data. Here, you should click on See All Site Data and Permissions. A list of all the sites that have stored data will appear before you. You'll need to find ElevenLabs in this list and proceed to delete it. Once you've cleared the cookies related to ElevenLabs, go ahead and try logging back into your account. Then, attempt to generate audio to see if the issue has been resolved. If you're still facing the error message, don't lose hope just yet. The next step involves considering any VPN services you might be using, as these can sometimes interfere with your connection to ElevenLabs. Try disabling your VPN and attempt the process once more. If the error persists even after disabling your VPN and clearing cookies, it's possible that ElevenLabs might have flagged your account as suspicious. This can happen if it believes your account was created to exploit the free monthly credits, which is often associated with using temporary or disposable email addresses. To bypass this potential roadblock, it's advisable to ensure you've created your ElevenLabs account using a reputable, permanent email provider. Using a Google email address, for instance, can help establish credibility and assure ElevenLabs that your account is legitimate. This small change might significantly enhance the likelihood of receiving access without error blocks. So there you have it. By following these steps, clearing cookies, disabling VPNs, and ensuring you're using a trustworthy email provider, you can tackle the unusable activity error with a strategic approach. I hope these tips prove helpful and get you back to doing what you love with ElevenLabs. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides like this one.